Maayos ba ang inyong gabi? Ako, ang gabi ko, interesting. I have a very, very interesting night tonight. I don't want to share, but I have a very, very interesting night tonight. There's something new about tonight, no? Medyo tinanggal ko yung yellowish part ng ating broadcast. I don't know kung napansin niyo, no? 'Di ba normally yellowish tayo sa blue app? Sa TikTok kasi, TikTok has its own live studio. So wala kang kailangang galawin diyan. As is 'yan. Sa blue app, 'di ba, you have to go through another live studio. So titimplahin mo. Tinanggal ko yung pagka-yellow sa blue app. I don't know if you like it better. Do you like it better? Sa blue app. Medyo pinaputihan ko ng kaunti. Magandang gabi. Kumain ako maraming gulay ngayon. Sinuka ko lang din kanina lahat. Sobrang ko yung kain ko. Hindi ko alam ano nangyari sa akin. Every time that I eat a lot, no, parang nilalabas ko lang. Kanina nag-skip and scan ako sa yung mga those people who would send me messages kahit na hindi tayo naka-live. And marami sa inyo ang nagkukwento sa akin. Siguro na lang, no? Release niyo na lang yun, na magkukwento kayo kahit na ina-heart ko lang, nagkukwento kayo sa akin, nakakatuwa, no? May nabasa ako kanina I think I was able to read two stories that's almost similar to each other. At this is from both females. At sabi lang nila parehas, no? Parang ang gist almost the same story but just different circumstances. Sabi lang nilang dalawa, titigil po ba kami sa pakikipagkita dun sa lalaking pinapaasa lang sila kada magkikita sex lang ginagawa nila. Parang I mean, did you really have to ask anybody? Kailangan ba bang itanong mo yan kahit kanina? But natutuwa ako na kahit papaano ay you trust me. Last na agad, TPJ? Yes. Bakit? May mga gawain tayo bukas. Ay nako. Holy Land. At may pinadala ulit sa akin ng Holy Land na binigay ni Gandang Kara sa atin. Bawal kayo pakita dahil matatak. Iba, ako na lang gagamit. Hiningi ko kay Gandang Kara. Yung Lark M2. Alright, Papa Jack, are you happy? I am very happy. I'm contented, I'm happy, I'm peaceful. Totoo. Pangkapinik lang ang alin. I-relaunch ko yung aking Pangs Purple Coffee. New branding, new packaging, new price, bababaan ko. Okay? At susuportahan nyo ako. Hay nako. Okay, you guys are asking me whether I'm going to go to the awards night or not. Do you think I should go? You think I should go? If ayaw mo, wag na, sabi dito. Well, I have my apprehension. I have my apprehension. Kasi, I did not win the Best in DJ award. And I'm completely fine. I did not win, I have not won all the awards. And nandun yung pangalan ko. But this time, ang layo kasi nung agwat ko eh. Hindi ko alam nyo to. Ang layo nung agwat ko eh. Malala. Lahat naman ang na-nominate doon, deserving naman manalo lahat yun. Pero ang layo nung agwat. So, I did not win. And that's okay. It's completely fine. Okay lang ako doon. It's no big deal. Diba? I have very little to prove about my career on radio. I think I've done enough, 'di ba, to say that I have lived a good career. 'Di ba, given the career choice I have. And then may bagong kasi feeling ko nag-aklas yata yung mga cardiac fans, ano. Kasi nilaban nila yan eh. Kung mapapansin nyo, even during those times na nasa radyo pa ako, hindi ko naman pinromote talaga yan eh. Kasi ayoko talaga ako nagpo-promote. Gusto ko pag mananalo ako kasi kayo ang may gusto, hindi ako. Kasi di ba, tao yung nagboboto eh. So, nilaban nila ninyo. So I'm grateful talaga ako sa part na yan. Diba? I'm really, really, really grateful ako sa part na yan. I couldn't ask for anything more. So hindi ako nanalo. So hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari, guys. Nagkaroon ng category I learned 3 days ago. I received that email. May nag-email sa akin eh. Let me check ngayon. Para transparent ako sa inyo. Natanggap ko yung email sa akin. Ah, 26th. 2 days ago lang. So 2 days ago ko lang tanggap yung email na may award ako, special award. It's called the Headliner of the Year Award. So hindi ko alam, ano ba yan? Biglaan ba nagkaroon ng category dahil ang lupit talaga ng cardiac fans? Yun ba yun? Or akin ba talaga yung award? Kasi matagal na yung tapos 2 days ago lang lumabas yung Headliner of the Year. Pampalubag, sabi ni dito. I felt that way. That's what I felt. Nilaban to ng mga cardiac fans eh. I have no beef dun sa nanalo, si Jaiho yata nanalo. Congratulations to Jaiho, diba? I'm so happy for him. I know how it feels to win awards. I have been winning left and right for all the years na may career ako, mga kaibigan. Alam nyo yan, kayo naman nagpapanalo sa akin lagi. So hindi ko lang alam kung bakit bigla ako nagka-award. Was that really intended for me or biglang nagwawala yung mga fans ni Papa Jackson, maglagay kayo ng award. Ganun yung pakiramdam ko. I could be wrong. Diba? I could be wrong. But ako, in my heart, I want to accept the award. Of course. Award is an award. Diba? So, hindi ko alam. I don't know. So, anong vote ninyo? Sabi naman sa akin ni Gandang Kara kanina, sinermo na niya ako kanina. Sabi niya, you have to go because nilaban ka ng mga cardiac fans. And nilaban ka at ito yung, diba? So do it for the cardiac people, sabi niya. So yun. So I don't know. Pero kung ang magiging hatol lang ay for all of you guys, I'd go. Yun eh. Diba? Yun lang yan. I don't know, guys.